My name is Edmund.
Hi, I'm Sheryl. We have been using Ziptrak for about 5 years since we moved in. Well, my experience with Ziptrak with the past 5 years has been wonderful. It really makes our balcony more livable and usable. With and without the Ziptrak, it makes a world of difference. Yeah, rain has been quite a frequent guest in this part of Singapore. So with Ziptrak, right, if the rain is not too heavy, I don't have to keep all the laundry before going out.
Most of all, the Ziptrak provided me additional benefit. Besides giving a cover, I am aware that my neighbor can't see me. So anything I'm doing behind the scene is what means some privacy. Yeah, that is a key advantage. The key maintenance, constant time and effort, I think is quite minimum. But basically just cleaning it from my inside out would mostly clear all the dirt and anything that's sticking.
Yes, I will recommend the curtain boutique to my friends and family. And in fact, the friends who have been to our place were quite amazed about the Ziptrak, and those who are looking for a solution to their balcony, curtain boutique is the solution.